Now, this is an interesting one, John, because we're looking at Apple. It got the crap kicked out of it yesterday, right? I mean, you look across the board, and we've watched a lot of these technology names that have gotten slammed, but there's been sort of a range, it seems like, especially in the case of Apple. And today, although this is not a long the commitment here, they bought the December 30th. For those that are not paying attention, today's the 29th. These expire tomorrow. So that the 130 calls going from 65 cents up to about $1.25. We'll just call it $1. Stock was trading at around 129 at the time. It was a little lower, got a little bit higher. So around 129, they're paying $1 for these. There was 71,100 of these bought, John. That's a monster trade. And it's just incredible some of the size trades that we have seen of late in a lot of these various stocks. Some of them look like hedges. Some of them definitely look like a directional trade. This one looked like a directional trade to me. And by the way, before we came on here, I took a quick look. Tesla, 2.1 million contracts trading on the day. Apple, just under a million contracts trading on the day. Gives you a little bit of an idea of just how crazy things are and have been for Tesla. Apple, this is just a standard day, but this is not a standard trade. 71,000. That's a monster buy, looking for not even a whole lot of upside. Stock's already at 130 right now. So you're just looking to see, hey, can this continue today and maybe into tomorrow?
Yeah, well, I think it was, and Mark and I talked about it yesterday, Pete. It's one of my number one tax loss harvesting candidates. And you guys know, I'm just saying it again. If you sell a stock at a lower price than where you bought it, you can recognize that loss on your 2023, the April 2023, when you file for your 2022 taxes. However, you can't get back in for 30 days. That's known as the wash sale rule. So if you're somebody who has bailed on Apple here, Pete, in the last few days down at 125, and you're watching it back at 130, you're hoping against hope that it ain't 140 or 145 by the end of January, because that's when you can buy it again. You have to wait 30 days. If you don't, well, then you don't get the tax loss. You just have a loss, but you can't match it up against your gains.